Welcome back to Market Pros. Let's get right into it. Uh, okay, so we have Bitcoin here on Bybit on the 4 hour. All right, so as you see, bloody, bloody day. Um, your moving averages do have negative slopes, except for the 100 and 200, but your 50 looks like it's about to cross the 100 to the downside. We did bounce off the we bounced off the oversold zone, and sorry, I just woke up. Um, and so we bounced up. So far, we're up to 43,620. We are back in the bearish control zone below the signal line. MACD did get across. We basically rode that zero line for days while we ranged here. Broke out of the bottom of the range, then started heading down. Volatility is in the upper zone. So we did get a bounce basically off this purple region. So we'll go ahead and raise this up a little bit. And the 200 got front ran. All right. So let's go down to the 1 hour real quick. Actually, let's go to the 4 hour on the range chart. All right. So we were closing. As soon as we start closing below the bottom band, the momentum start picking up. Now, on the 4 hour, the stochastic is pointing up from the oversold zone. Volatility's in the upper zone. RSI still in oversold below the signal line. Now, let's see here. Do we have any divergences? Okay, so we do have bullish divergence. Let's go down to the 1 hour on the trend chart. All right, so here we're on the 1 hour. RSI, bearish control zone above the signal line. See if we have, nope, no bullish divergence. Okay, so MACD did get a fresh cross to the upside as we bounced here. So basically we got a bounce at the 42,726. Now, we did close below 44K. All right, actually, yeah, 44K. We did close below that. Volatility's heading into the lower zone, kind of consolidating now, deciding what Bitcoin wants to do. So I mean, if anything, we could still go in a range. I know that people don't like to hear it's going to go up, it's going to go down, or it's going to go sideways. That's why we always have invalidation levels, and that's why you always want to think of the bullish and bearish cases, because sometimes it'll do the opposite of what you think it's going to do. It'll look bullish, it'll get bearish. It'll look bearish, it'll get bullish. Now, what I think is going to happen is we're going to get a bounce, okay? Whether it validates this as a bull trap would be to get back above 44K, even 44.5K. All right, so 44.4K, 44,400. All right. So yeah, I would like to see it even get above 44,600 and get back above this 50 and start turning that 21 around. That would validate this as a bear trap. Now, let's put a fib on this, and let's see where we would go if this is the bottom. At least a short-term bottom. All right, so you got your 382. Basically, by the time that it would get up here, the 50 would be down here. Now, your 6